So I just pulled something out of this hole. It was like a pill container. It was like a pill. I don't know what it was. Just some kind of pill. One of those foil pill packets. But getting a high tone in here now. It's probably another one of those pill containers. It's gonna be off the side there. Yeah, it's gonna be off the side. I'm gonna have to dig it out. I'm not gonna use my hand digger anymore. I think it's gonna be a little bit deeper too. Pop it there. There's junk in there. Oh, it's right there. Some foil. It's more of that foil packet that I just pulled out. I just found a silver ring, and he's like, and when my next ring is gonna be gold, man. He wants to catch up with me. He wants to catch up really bad. I can hear it in his voice, man. And I was swinging fast too, man. Just swing it fast. That's exactly what it's doing, man. Just, man, I'll have to let that heal up a little bit before I tear it up a little bit more. Come back in a few months. When it starts raining out, I'll come here. Ooh, this one sounds like foil. Right on the surface. Ooh, it's hard here too, man. Oh, it's rooty too. There's some roots down there. Some foil. Man, that is spanking that thing, man. That sounds high. But the foil does sound really good when you open up the hole there. Where the heck is this thing at? In there? No. Where the heck did it go to? Definitely just moved it. Oh, it's a piece of foil there. What the heck is that thing? What the heck is that? It's hard. It's got to be some foil. I'll have to look at it closer when I get it home. You got some jewelry? I'm taking that one out. Oh yeah, dude. That's cool. What's on it? That looks like an odd one.
It's a pretty nice
clasp on it.
Yeah.
It almost looks like silver. Let me take a look at it. No, it just broke. You broke it, dude.
Yep, I did.
I didn't break it. Oh, it's a cell phone. It's a small cell phone.
Is it?
Yeah. The rest of it's probably in there. No? It's a little cell phone pendant. That's cool. But I got a foil signal right here. Very strong foil signal right here. Is that it? No. Ooh, this one kind of sounds like a foil packet. Right here. Right in there. Yeah, just a little bit of foil. Right there. Oh, the mower's coming. Shoot. I think the mower's coming, man. This is not good, man. This is not good. The mower's coming, man. He found an earring. He's on the jewelry today, man. Ooh, what's this? Some junk. He's got an earring over there too, man. He's tearing it up there. Man.
How are you today? Good. How about yourself?
Hi there.
Good. That's a nice looking bike. Yeah, thanks.
Oh, you found another ear. Oh, dude, you're tearing it up, man.
Hang on to it.
Looks like half a peace sign or something. You're tearing it up, dude.
Yeah.
You're not even giving me a chance, man. Right, we've been over this place so many times, man. So another foil target here. Gotta dig that foil up, man. You gotta dig that foil up. And he's digging foil up because he wants gold today. So he's digging all those small little earrings and those small little jewelries. Oh, it's gonna be deep. That's not a good thing, man. It's gonna be some foil deep. I don't see it coming out yet, though. There it is right there, some can claw. Jim is just like, man, on it today. But I did find a silver ring, so. Oh, there's some more foil right there that came out of the hole with it. That lawnmower. I don't know where that lawnmower went to. I just saw him over there. Oh, man, this sounds really, really, really good. Man. This sounds awesome, man. Oh, dude, this could be some jewelry right here. Or it could be a big piece of can slaw, too. Most likely it's more of that can slaw, yeah. A chew can. Part of a chew can. The Simplex, this 267 is so fast. The recovery speed is just amazing on this thing. A lot of guys like those 267 or 276 and 277 and 278. I like them too, but I like the 267 a lot better because it's just such a stable machine. You can just swing this thing around super fast, jacked up all the way, and just pluck some serious stuff out, man. Right there. And pull tab right on the surface, or some jewelry. I'm hoping for the latter. Some jewelry in here, baby. Come on. Is it pull tab? No, it's a buckle. Oh, dude. I just found an epic buckle, dude. Yeah. Yeah, it's old. It's all munched. It's only one part to it, though. I don't think I'm gonna find the other part to it. Smacking those buckles out, man. That thing is pretty old. It's got a little bit of pretty on it, but it's just wasted. Man, we're tearing it up today on this little strip here, man. I'm just swinging fast, man. I'm just going for it. Found a silver ring and a buckle and a bunch of change. In a spot that we've already pounded it to death, man. You come out in different conditions, man, on spots, and you just tear it up, man. I'm telling you. There's a little bit of a foil signal here. Is that it right there? No. I'm just gonna pop this one. It's just some foil. Yeah, it's deep too. Some deep cancel off probably. Most likely, that's what it's kind of sounding like. Yeah, some foil. But I'm going for it. I'm going for it. I'm gonna get the rest of it out, man. I'm determined to find that jewelry, man. Come on, baby. Is it gonna be a coin in there? No. tack it. Alrighty. Well, thank you for watching. There's some jewelry for you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.